So guys, here is the demonstration for the rental collection manager. I have logged in as a property agent. I am on the dashboard. You can see that there are two widgets, leases and tenants. I have 0 leases and 0 tenants for now. It is the fresh agent. I go to the rental collection tab. It is tenants. There is no tenants right now. I can add new tenant from this button, first name, last name, email, and so on. I add one Mr. John is added to our system. We can add existing tenants. Like sometimes some tenants already exist, so we cannot add a new tenant, so we need to add an existing tenant. Like I find that this one we add, and like this one. You can see those tenants are added. So now I show you the leases tab. Here is the leases tab. All leases, active leases, inactive, terminated, completed. For creating add new lease, I will show you this in the next video, where we can add full demonstration for the leases. Here is the invoices tab. In the invoice tab, it shows perform invoice, paid invoices and unpaid invoices. When we need a lease to be calculated periodically or for recurring payments, so in this case we need to create a perform invoice. A perform invoice will be created for periodical payments, and it will have some invoice items that will calculated on the periodical time. The invoice will generated based on the perform invoice, automatic. I will show you about the perform invoice in the next video. This is the settings tab. We can add lease number prefix, lease number suffix, invoice number prefix, invoice number suffix. Similarly, we can add emails. We can add CC emails like peter@gmail.com. Okay, I will add some lease when we have some lease here. So this person Peter will add it on this lease. Whenever our lease have some action, like payment accepted, payment retrieved, then it will also receive the receipt about the payment. This is the invoice templates tab. Here we can see the invoice templates. this is the invoice templates, this is the title, this is the template. Right now our system have one invoice template, default invoice, but in the later version, in the next versions, we will provide more invoice templates. We can also make a duplicate for current invoice template so that we can use different invoice templates for different leases. I just click on the duplicate and the duplicate template is created. You can see I made this change. Here is the default value. Made this change. The changes made it here. So whenever invoice receipt will be generated, this value will show based on this invoice template on the invoice. Here is the payment methods. Our system right now provide two kind of payment methods: bank transfers and UPI transfers. The user will add, the property owner will add bank account. This is for the bank details that will show on tenants tab when the tenant will make a payment. Here is the UPI transfers. We can add UPI account like Paytm, for Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, like Paytm, UPI ID @ some 1 2 3 4 5 6 at Paytm. Save changes. Save changes made. So these are the settings for rental collection manager. Here are the payments tab. The payment that we will received will be shown here: pending payments, completed payments, and rejected payments. Okay, I show you about the next video.